Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make PutoFlan. Extra soft and delicious. Let's begin. In a small bowl, lightly beat together egg yolks and evaporated milk. Then add the condensed milk and vanilla. Strain the flan mixture at least 3 times. Now, using a paper towel dipped in oil, grease the bottom of the molds. Next, fill the molds with 1 1/2 tablespoon flan mixture. Steam over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting for the flan, let's make the puto batter. Beat the egg whites until frothy. Add cream of tartar and beat until foamy. Next, gradually add sugar and beat until stiff. Now, let's prepare the dry mixture by sifting together cake flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Then add water and stir until smooth. Now carefully fold in the egg white mixture to the cake batter. Folding is a gentler mixing technique than stirring and mixing. Do not overmix. Now that the flan is ready, remove from the steamer and let stand for about 2 minutes. Do not let it cool completely. Then fill with the cake batter. Steam for about 8 minutes or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. You can let it cool for a few minutes before unmolding, or you can immediately remove it from the molds while warm. It's up to you. For added tips, you can add a few drops of yellow food color if you like. After steaming the flan, I also tried adding the cake batter immediately and it still worked fine. Make sure to cover the steamer lid with cloth to avoid tiny drops of water. This is another recipe I will definitely make again and again. By the way, the size of the mold is 3 inches, number 308 mold. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Enjoy! Thanks for watching! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.